Welcome to our new house and my biggest project yet. Let's just say it needs some work. And I wish you could smell it in here. Inside, we got a grand entryway. Right off to the left, we've got a current formal dining room. Nobody uses a formal dining room. So we're going to rip out the carpet, change this into an office, put some double doors there. Secret hidden bookshelf door, because we know you guys love that. We'll put that here. It leads into the half bath. This thing needs some work. It's got a crumbling vanity. It's got the ceiling caving in, and who knows what's leaking upstairs. From there, we've got the pantry right off of that. They left us a couple things, just in case we needed to do some cooking right when we got here. But we're gonna rip some of these cabinets out, put some cabinets in, and then put some open shelving up top. From there, going into the kitchen. Don't ask me what we're gonna do with the kitchen because I have no idea. It's usable currently, minus the fridge that we have to buy. Dining room, not much, just replace the light. Living room. I actually do like this wood piece. It's just not our style. So we plan on ripping out the wood and this tile, redoing some stone, putting 2 built-ins on the side, doing an arch on the top. I think it'll look pretty nice. From there, you've got the garage. This is where all of our stuff is currently located. And I did repaint the walls in there, okay? It did have a smell to it. Back into the grand entryway. Plan on, once I close up this wall and put the double doors here, doing some wainscoting, leading upstairs, along with refinishing these handrails and putting some new spindles in that are just a little more simple. We'll save the best for last, which is the master. So we'll head into the spare bedrooms here. With this one, we've got bedroom for baby number 1. Plan on doing some paneling, probably about eye level around the wall, and then some wallpaper above that, mainly because wallpaper is so expensive. Going into the Jack and Jill bathroom. The shower's all right. It'll eventually come out, but we need new vanity, new mirrors, and new flooring in here. Into bedroom for baby number 2. Not sure what we're going to do in here. Wife, that's on you, so get on it. Back out into the hallway. We've got 1 spare bedroom with an ensuite bathroom attached. Definitely need to replace this fan. Don't know whose idea that was. Same thing in this bathroom. I don't think they've ever cleaned it. Need to replace some flooring, vanity, and then shower. Laundry. They beat this room up pretty good. Plan on doing a built-in here, a nice washer dryer here, and then maybe some cabinets up top to hide some of our stuff. And into our favorite. So it's got a nice big master. It just needs some paint and some new boob light. And then into our favorite bathroom of all time. We've got carpet everywhere, around the jacuzzi, around the shower, and even around the porcelain throne. They've also never cleaned anything in their life, as you can tell by the shower. We do have his and her closet, and this bathroom is nice and big, so we plan on doing some rearranging. Hopefully this wall isn't load bearing. Soaker tub here and a walk-in shower here. All right, let's talk budget. Currently we're budgeting $30K for this remodel. Already, we're in the whole $10K for LVP flooring. We're doing LVP pretty much throughout, other than the master bathroom and the laundry room. So that puts us down to $20K. After that, we're going to paint the whole house. That's going to be another $3K-ish is what we're budgeting. So that puts us down to $17K. Wish us luck.